You look beautiful.
So do you.
Oh my God. How are you feeling?
Good.
You been nervous?
I'm excited.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
You look so good.
I love you too. Are you nervous?
No.
I haven't been that nervous either.
Let's party!
Jill, the day is here. In a few hours, babe changes to wifey. And this short letter won't do the justice of what that means to me. I remember the day like it was yesterday. You walked past me in the middle school hallway, and I asked God in that moment to make you my wife someday. "17 years later, that dream came true. Every stage of our lives together has built the best memories. To say we beat the odds would be an understatement. For 17 years, I've never stopped thinking about you and how great our life would be together. We've shared memories for what feels like our entire lives, but today will be the most special more than anything else. Calling you my wife will be my proudest achievement. I know I don't say it enough, but you are everything I hope for and need in a wife. You're smart, funny, gorgeous inside and out. You have the biggest heart, and I look forward to seeing you become the best wife and mom. Choosing you to be my wife was the easiest decision of my life. I love you forever and always. Kyle."
So good. Kyle, I can't believe the day is finally here. We've been dreaming and planning this day for what feels like forever. It's so crazy to think about the journey that has led us here today. From young high school love to reconnecting in our later 20s, buying our first house, endless concerts, and making memories with Corsie, loving you has been an absolute joy. I can't wait to build our own little family. I know you will be an incredible father to our future babies. Today marks the beginning of our forever. I am so excited to see you today as my groom. Love you forever. Love your wife.
Thanks, Sugar.
Oh, yours is better.
No, it's a lot better when you read yours.
I love you.
I love you, babe.
Oh my gosh, Jill.
You look beautiful.
Oh,
You look great.
oh my word. What, did I pull down on it?
No, you're fine.
Oh,
You look so good.
oh, geez, so
I love
happy.
you.
So happy.
Oh.
Big day.
Finally.
Place this ring on Kyle's finger and repeat after me. Kyle, I give you this ring
Kyle, I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love,
as a symbol of my love,
to love you today and tomorrow,
to love you today and tomorrow,
always and forever.
always and forever.
Kyle, place this ring on Jill's finger and repeat after me. Jill, I give you this ring
Jill, I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love,
as a symbol of my love,
to love you today and tomorrow,
to love you today and tomorrow,
always and forever.
always and forever.
Before these witnesses, you have pledged to be joined in marriage. You have now sealed this pledge with your wedding rings. By the authority vested in me by the Universal Life Church and the great state of Michigan, I pronounce you husband and wife. Kyle, you may kiss the bride.
Can we walk that down now?
Not yet. Ladies and gentlemen, I proudly introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Kyle and Jill Hadden.
Let's do it.
Introducing for the first time as a couple, Mr. and Mrs. Hadden.
You two have something special in that you have known each other for more years than not. And that is a strong foundation to move forward for a successful, long-lasting marriage. So, speaking of the future, if everybody could just raise a glass to the future of Kyle and Jill. Many years of love and happiness. Yay!
We are so excited to see you two tie the knot because you are truly a perfect match. Jill and Kyle are the epitome of the word loyal. They never miss a friend or family life event and have traveled a ton over the past years to be a part of every engagement, wedding, and birthday they've been invited to. You are both amazing friends, family members, and dog parents to Coors, and I have no doubt that you will be amazing parents to your future children.
We're all told that when we grow up, somewhere out in this very big world of ours, there's someone who's made perfectly for us, and you won't find a better example of that than Jill and Kyle. They say that friends are the family that you get to choose, and myself and Kirsty feel lucky to have both of you in our life, and that Clay has such an awesome aunt and uncle to look up to. Thank you both for letting me be a part of your special day, and you both have always been there for me and my family, and I promise to always be there for you and yours.
You and Jill balance each other out so well. Your calm nature to her free spirit. You save, she spends. You're clean, she's so pretty. Anyone who can keep up with Jill's Amazon deliveries and make her laugh the way you do is truly a keeper in my book.
All anyone can ask for in a partner is that in the toughest of times I can lean on you and you'll be there. That's who these two are. That's the friend Kyle's been to me my whole life. And that's the husband and father that you can count on. So continue to fight for all the things worth fighting for and be tough on the issues that need it, but through it all be kind to one another always. Embrace all the changes that life will give you with an open heart and always remember where home is. So while so much has changed, here's to what stayed the same. Cheers to growing up and falling in love. To Kyle and Jill.